I'm just right from taking some trades that is on under 6 with under 6, under 7 with under 6 recovery. And now I want us to take some other trades that is on the same market. Okay, so let me first of all explain the details quick, fast. Yeah, so we'll actually be trading that is under 6, under 7 with under 6 recovery. So let me minimize this. Okay, so I want us to trade that is under 7 with under 6 recovery using a very simple strategy. So let's look for a market that we can actually start, we can actually do our execution. So let's go to the T1S, then let's go to 51S. Okay, 51S, so there is a high possibility in the next few minutes that market will be okay. This one, the disadvantage is this, that is stage 2, but I think the red bar might come to digit either 8 or 9. Okay, so let's go to a different volatility. 75-1S. Good, we have one. So we want to trade at a 7 with a 6 recovery. The strategy is very simple. The blue bar, green bar should all be below digit 6. The red bar should be from digit 6 to 9, and all the digits are in position. So just click there and go to error analysis since all the conditions are met. Then click here, go to set prediction digit 6. So click here and set 6 like that. We are actually like the percentage, you should actually make sure that you're using 250 sticks for analysis. So this percentage should be around 60%. That means from all the way from 55% you can start your execution as long as this market is increasing. Okay, so now let's set up our robot. So here is our device. Now I want us to load the robot. Just click select bot and load this robot. Now let's set up our market. So this is volatility 91S. So click here and select volatility 91S like that. Cancel the default volatility like that. Collapse that option. Trade definitions. Select under, then prediction digit 7. Collapse that option. Then let's go to risk manager and you'll be staking that is $100. Then collapse that option, then risk, we already done there. Then collapse that, then add a new market. Let's go to market 2, trade definitions. Let's set this to under 6. I'll give all these details after the trade. Then markets, enable that. Then select recovery option. I'll explain all these details. Then let's go to global shared. Then stop trading option. These we enable this option. Then make sure you're using 4 consecutive losses. Stop loss and target profit guard, enable that option. We'll actually be using 350 as our TP. I think 350 is a loss. Let's do 300. Then let's increase these. And I think we are done. Now let's check the market, how the market is. So our entry point will be very simple. 3 consecutive over digits followed by another digits. Then just start your robot. And this will be our execution button. So if you check this, it's around 64%. Yeah. So let's wait and see if this percentage is increasing. Because if it's increasing, that means the market, the market is so much on unders, but you can actually see it's actually dropping. It's actually dropping in a bit. So 63 right now, 64, 63. So we will wait until the percentage start increasing steadily. So that's 63, 62, 63. Okay, 62, 63, 64. That means we are good to execute. So 2 consecutive over digits followed by another digits, then just run. That's 1, 2, under. Now let's hope for the best. Okay, we are halfway. Wow, that's how we do it. Very simple, very, very, very simple. You can actually see we took 11 trades, 10 wins, just 1 loss. Wow, it's not easy. Okay, so let me explain the details first of all. Well, let me first of all explain the analysis, then I'll explain details on how you set up your robot and the reason why we did what we did. So the strategy is very simple. We said the blue bar, green bar should all be below digit 6. The red bar should be from digit 6 and above. Then click here, go to edit analysis, prediction digit, make sure you set that is 6. Prediction digit, make sure you set 6 like that. Then you should make sure that this percentage is increasing. Like right now you can actually see it's around 60.8%, 60%, yeah. So this percentage should start increasing, for example, from 61 all the way to 60, 61, 62. Once it is 62, now that means now you can start looking for your entry points, since the market has shown like it's actually increasing steadily. So what is your entry point? 2 consecutive over digits, like right now in this case, over, then under, run your robot, yeah. And you can actually see what follows later is a series of over, that is under digits. Those could actually be all wins, yeah. Okay, so how do you set up your robot? Okay, now let's get there. So we are actually using trading using, that is the Deriv Storm Shadow. That is the Deriv Storm Shadow using our new advanced Deriv, and it's actually very simple to actually do the setup. So if you click here and go and load this robot, so the first thing that you do, click market 1, go to market volatilities, select volatility of your choice. For example, in this case we're actually using 91s. Collapse that option, then just click market volatility, collapse market volatilities, then go to trade definitions, click here and set under, then prediction digit, make sure you set 7, then click trade definitions to collapse that option. Then let's go to the risk manager, then so let's set your stake, for example. That's what we did. Then collapse, this is our material actually, then collapse that option, then collapse market 1, then add market 2. Now come straight to market 1. Market 2 is just a duplicate of market 1, meaning all the details are the same. So we only need to change the trade definition and set these as 6. Then collapse that option. Then let's go to market switcher. Enable this option and now select recovery. What recovery means is that we'll be trading market 1. Once we make a loss, we switch to market 2. All right. Then once we make a recovery, the robot will go back to, that is market 1. Okay, so that is done. Then collapse that option here, that is the market switcher. Then let's go to the global shared options. So just click stop trading. This is where you set up your stop loss, and in this case we actually with 4 consecutive losses. Then click target profit and stop loss guard. Then enable this option. Then set up your target profit here. For example, if you are targeting $300, then the stop loss, set your stop loss there. But personally, I prefer to use the stop trading option. Then once you're done doing that setup, the next thing you do is very simple. You just need to monitor this percentage, and if it actually increasing steadily, the next thing you do is just make an entry point, and the entry point is very simple. For example, 2 consecutive under over digits followed by another digits, just run your robot. For example, in this case, this is over, then over. So at least 2 consecutive over digits. So in this case, you can actually see there are 3. So it is over. Then once the under pops, that's the best time to actually start your robot, and you'll actually have the best results. So you can actually see what we did. We took 11 trades, 10 wins, and just 1 loss. It's actually a very simple strategy that you can always backtest. To backtest this strategy, all you need to do is just visit elitretraders.co.ke. You can actually see it at the top there, elitretraders.co.ke. Goodbye.